All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T-150, long wheelbase, regular roof with 22,000 miles, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, got backup camera. Super nice and best of all, minimal damage on the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper. Let's have, looks like scuffing here with some heavy scratching, about 3 inches. Open around. Rest of the bumper here, you got some scuffing as well. Boom, right there. Here's your hood. Looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim or steel wheel. The tire thread is at 9/32. This door looks pretty good. Does have a little ding right there. On this quarter, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got several things to see if it can be seen. Yeah, you can see this one. You can see this one. That one. That one. That one. That one. There you go. There you go. Up, 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 up. Some more up here. Got another one up here. All right. About it. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. Driver's side steel wheel. Tire third is under 5/32, above 4. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Jump into the vehicle. This vehicle does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Your AM FM CD player on it. AM FM CD player, right? AM FM stereo system. Got your AC controls right down below. No CD player. Here's your big close on what that looks like. I don't see any lights on. No any issues in your mileage of 22,979. Oh, your backup camera. Right there. Very nice. Keep the lights on. Keep it moving. Alright, coming around. Rear bumper. Looks pretty good. This seems to have a little ding right there. Cracking or something here. Looks like this might have been body work. 6 inches. These doors do swing out all the way. Got little stompers. It's a long wheelbase, so it does swing out. This is what your trunk space looks like. Love the LED look of your cargo area. That's your rear wheels right there, and there they look pretty decent. That one has like a dent on it, but looks pretty good overall. This door looks pretty good. Does have a dent here on the edge, apart from closing the door on stuff. Alright, let's check this side out. This one looks pretty good. A couple of dings here against this, probably from putting things in the door. Alright, let's take out my ladder. You know it's a low top, but you never know. Things can fall on it. Things could happen. Alright, this is what it looks like from this side. Looks pretty good. I don't see any problems. It's good. Alright. Keep it moving. Molding has a scuffing. 10 here, 3, 6. Another little dingy there, 3, about 6 inches dent right there too. A dent on this door of 5 inches, another little dingy there. It's your rear passenger steel wheel. That hubcap has some curving to it. Under 4/32 is at the tire thread on this side. And a couple of things, you can see them right there on the door. Doors do swing out all the way. Boom. And this is what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. One door here. Nice. Another door here. Very nice. This door looks pretty good. Front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front passenger hubcap. Entire bed is under 430 seconds. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are on, car is working. Folks, once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T-150 long wheelbase, regular roof with 22,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.